So guys, let's take a look at our Euro GBP for the day. First of all, we will start from our top-down analysis, which means from our weekly time frame straight down to our 1 hour time frame and try and predict where our price will be moving the next day. So I will start from the weekly time frame. I actually zoomed it out, by the way. So I've highlighted some key level we all can spot on the weekly time frame. So if you are to zoom it out, you all can see this actually was our highs. Whenever the price comes to this highs, we tend to see a huge amount of drop. You all can see it came to this level, it dropped, also come to this level. We all see it here, come to this level and dropped. And once it dropped, it's also come to this lows and it pushes up. So it comes to this low again and pushes up. So basically, these are up key level I highlighted up is our resistance level, and this lows is actually our support level. So now on this our weekly time frame, we are actually having a rally movement. So basically, once we see that our price has dropped right to this our support level, we are expecting to actually go bullish again to this our resistance level. So basically, on the weekly time frame standpoint, we are expecting a bullish move on our weekly time frame. So basically, on our weekly time frame, we are expecting to go long on our Euro GBP on the weekly time frame standpoint. Now let's try and take this movement. Will I take it from here? From here, so I will be taking here as an impulse move upward was made on the weekly time frame. A correction was made here, so the price when you add this dropped, it did not break below this lows. It did not break below this lows, which we consider as an uptrend move. Then another impulse move was made here. So we are expecting the impulse move, at least on the weekly time standpoint, to actually break this ice, right? So exactly what we are seeing, we're expecting it to go on our Euro GBP. But let's quickly start it. We want to try and predict where our price will be moving for tomorrow. That is why we are going to be seeing this analysis by this way. So let's start it from here, because we want to see where our price will be moving tomorrow. So see it, this is an impulse move, a good amount of impulse move, right? What we are expecting next is actually a pullback, right, which we are actually having here. So once we have this pullback, we are expecting a rally movement upward on our Euro GBP. So that is one. Secondly, this is kind of a key level here. Once the price comes to this level here, we tend to see it drop right on this our weekly time frame. So basically, our price has now come to that level and we are now seeing it drop. We all see this red candlestick. I personally still believe the price will break above it and continue to rally up, but we want to see it of recent and how the price is playing out. So we analyze the recent key level, which is this ice. We'll be taking it as our recent resistance level. So once the price comes to this resistance level, it tends to come down right now. Price comes to this resistance level and it drop, and now it is at this resistance level. We're very much likely to see a drop again because we would want to see it. Let's see if we might be getting a drop to about 0.84902. If you can have the drop to around this level here, then we're very much likely to go bullish again on our Euro GBP. So Euro GBP on weekly time frame, we are expecting a drop, then a rally movement upward on our Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, a drop first, then a rally movement upward. Now daily time frame, I highlighted some key level here. We all can see this level, hitting this level and it's dropping. It's also hitting this level and it's dropping, and now it is at this level. So daily time frame standpoint, would want to, what are we expecting to see? We still want to see our price go to actually close bearish the next day, which is on the 7th. So let's see if our price can actually take out this level. Let's see a level of about 0.85238. Let's see if the price will actually take out the lows, which is about 0.85328 the next day. So we are expecting a drop again, right? See the price actually be rejecting at this resistance level, and currently we are on a resistance level, so we are also rejecting. So that is why on the 6th the price closed bearish, on the 5th the price closed bearish. So on the 7th, very much likely the price will also close bearish. Markets will very much likely close bearish. Now for our time frame, since for our time frame, we are still on a drop, by the way, so we are still expecting a bearish move, by the way. Let's see if the price will actually drop to this level here. See it. If price drops, then we're very much likely to see a rally movement on our Euro GBP, coupled with the fact that this GBP is actually on a bearish move, right? This GBP is actually a bearish move, and now we are starting to have a correction on our GBP index. This is GBP index. So once we start having this correction, which means our GBP index starts going bullish, then any other pairs relating to our GBP should start falling. So that is an indication again that our Euro GBP will very much likely close bearish the next day. So watch out for it. Very much likely to open and close bearish on the daily time frame on our Euro GBP for the day.